Hey guys, a lot of people have been asking me what's actually included in our United States email database, so instead of just talking about it, I thought I'd quickly show you everything inside. If you're looking for business contacts, building prospect lists, researching companies, or preparing your own email marketing campaigns, this video should answer most of your questions. So let's jump right in. This is our 2026 updated USA email database, and it contains more than 6 million business and consumer email addresses. One thing I really like about this database is that everything is already organized for you. Instead of getting one giant messy spreadsheet with millions of rows, we've separated the data by state, making it much easier to navigate. So let's open one together. I'm going to open New Mexico as an example. As you can see, every row contains detailed business information. You'll find the company name, email address, contact information, street address, city, state, zip code, phone number, website, SIC code, and SIC description. Everything is already arranged in Excel, so if you're looking for a specific city, industry, or company, you can easily search, filter, or sort the data in just a few seconds. And that's one of the biggest advantages. You don't have to spend hours searching Google, copying company information one by one, or building spreadsheets from scratch. Instead, you already have everything organized in front of you. A lot of our customers use these databases for market research, business prospecting, building contact lists, organizing outreach, or importing contacts into tools that support email marketing workflows such as MailChimp or similar platforms, depending on their own processes and applicable rules. Another thing people ask me is this just one state? No. This package includes databases from multiple US states, plus a large mixed USA database as well. Altogether, you're getting access to more than 6 million records. Everything is delivered as Excel files, so you don't need any special software. If you know how to open Excel, you're ready to go. Another question I get all the time is, how do I receive the files? It's really simple. As soon as your purchase is completed, you'll instantly receive your download. No waiting, no shipping, no physical product. Everything is digital, so you can access your files within minutes. Inside the download folder, you'll also find a short tutorial that shows you exactly how to access everything. So even if this is your first purchase, you'll know exactly where everything is. And yes, this is our 2026 updated edition, which means the package has been refreshed and organized to make it easier to work with. If you're someone who regularly researches companies, builds business contact lists, or works with email marketing tools, having everything organized in one place can save a huge amount of time compared to collecting information manually. Before we finish, let me quickly scroll through a few more sheets so you can get a better idea of how everything looks. As you can see, the structure stays consistent throughout the files, making it really easy to navigate from one state to another. So that's a quick overview of what's included inside our USA email database. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below because I read as many comments as I can. And if you'd like to learn more, you'll find the product link in the description. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.